Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to our tutorial series Zero to Hero in episode number 58. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is how swing trading works. I am sure that many of the people are struggling to make out of swing trading, which is a proven method of generating consistent profit in stock market and for that matter in any financial market. But what happens that in absence of clarity about the subject relating to technical analysis or price action analysis, the people keep on changing their instance. For example, they sometimes try intraday trading, sometimes they try swing trading, sometimes they go for a positional trading, and sometimes they become an investor by default many a times, because they have selected a particular stock and that stock has not yielded the result what they desired for, and then stock has fallen substantially, so they turn out to be an investor. So it is first and foremost thing to very important to notice that one should have a clarity in mind that to master in a particular style of trading and work on deep to generate consistent profit and success consistently. So friends, if you are watching this channel, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. So let us understand and make swing trading very simple, because the moment we keep the thing simple, it yields a better result. Let's begin. So friends, first we should understand what is swing trading. Friends, as the name suggests, swing trading. The trading to catch a swing in the market. What does it mean? The market constantly moves in the wave formation. Market makes higher highs and higher lows kind of formation, and market makes higher lows and lower lows kind of formation. This creates several waves in the market, forming impulsive wave and corrective wave. The moment we understand the wave formation of the market, each wave is called swings in the market. The moment we make a strategy to catch a particular swing, it is called swing trading. It is as simple as that. And the question here is, the moment we make a strategy to catch the larger swings where risk to reward ratio is favorable, we tend to make a consistent profit, provided we have built around the trading strategy in line with the risk management and position sizing in right fashion. As we have already discussed under several tutorials under Zero to Hero, and all those tutorials are available in the playlist on the channel titled Zero to Hero. So swing trading is a style of trading and proven style of trading globally, where a trader tries to capture the stock market swings. Swings is nothing but the wave formation in the market, whether it is stock market, commodity market, currency market, bond market, crypto market, whatever market we are trading into, and tries to make a gain out of that particular swings which he intends to catch for generating profit in the market for a period of few days, which can run up to several weeks, because it is the short-term trend of the market which is being encased by this strategy. And friends, swing traders use the concepts of what? technical analysis. They need to be very good in technical analysis and price action analysis as an overall part of the technical analysis, to look for the trading opportunities based on market structures, and accordingly they make the selection of the stocks where risk is very less and possible reward potential is very high. And this is how the swing trading strategies is built around applying the concepts of technical analysis in the stock market. So friends, let us now understand the risk involved in execution of the swing trading. Friends, it's a widely known concept that one has to take a risk for a potential reward in the financial market. Without risk, there is no gain. It's a famous saying, but that risk has to be well calculated. So one risk is that all the technical analysis, even the best of the technical analysis globally, they cannot be right all the time. The only thing is they are right most of the time. Their winning rates are very, very good because they are good at technical analysis and price action analysis. But if you don't incorporate the risk management and position sizing aspect that we have already covered a tutorial on which under Zero to Hero playlist, then the risk may be many folds. So the risk management aspect should be an inbuilt process of your trading strategy, whether you are a swing trader or any other kind of trader, or an investor for that matter. But one risk is very, very greatly involved in risk trading is that many a times risk trader are exposed to the overnight risk and the weekend risk. For example, the market has closed today at a certain price. Tomorrow when the market opens and the post weekend the market opens, market may gap up or gap down. So if you are holding a long position, market gaps down, and even if you put a stop loss on the terminal, it may not hit, because the price has never traded in a range where you have put a stop loss on the terminal. So that is one risk. It can happen overnight or it can happen on the weekend. Nothing can be done about it. Such risks are very, very rare in the market if the proper trading strategies has been formulated based on the inputs of the technical analysis or price action analysis. So we have to carry this risk, and we have to be very practical about it, that such thing will happen when we indulge into stock market, or for that matter any financial market in the world. Hello friends. So friends, what are the steps that are involved in designing a swing trading strategy? It's very, very important to understand that we should always try to catch the impulsive wave. However, an experienced trader and a person who is good at technical analysis, they indulge into counter trend trading and try to catch the corrective wave also. But it's a very, very risky proposition. Overall, trading into stock market or financial market is a risky profession, and we have many a times emphasized that only 5% people make money and 95% people lose money. And the reason for losing money is they do not have the adequate knowledge which is desired to be successful trader, and secondly, they do not have the proper emotional control. They are not consistently following a method to be successful in a stock market or financial market. So we should always try to catch the impulsive wave, larger wave in the market. And impulsive wave, larger wave means, that is why it is called impulsive wave, because you have to be a trend followers to make a consistent profit in the stock market. So what we should do? We should adopt a very simple strategy. First, identify the trend in the market, what is prevailing, And if uptrend is prevailing in the market, always find an opportunity for a long trade. Buy low, sell at a higher price and catch the upcoming swing, upcoming impulsive swing. And in a downtrending market, always try to be on short side. Search for a short selling opportunity in a downtrending market where you sell high and buy low or cover low. And then only you are likely to have a risk reward ratio working in your favor. It is very important to understand, and that is why trend following strategy is very popular across the globe, and here the risk involved is much less than that of counter trend trading when you try to catch the corrective wave. One, corrective wave is smaller in size, so the potential reward is less, and secondly, market being in uptrend, in that particular phase of the market, in say markup phase where the buyers are dominating over the sellers, so market can turn anytime violently against your position in the market, and hence trend following strategy will always work favorably in swing trading. So friends, once you have identified the trend in the market and you have waited patiently for that correction to be over, it becomes very important to never ignore the risk management aspect when you are formulating a trading strategy. So risk management is so important besides the knowledge of technical analysis and price action analysis that it can simply not be ignored, but probably one of the most ignored aspects across the globe among the traders. They sometimes overtrade, sometimes they undertrade, but they do not do the right sizing of their trade, and that is the reason it becomes very difficult for majority of the people in the stock market to make or generate consistent profit. And hence friends, right position sizing is essential ingredient of your trading strategy based on the inputs of technical analysis. And hence friends, I have been emphasizing many a times during several videos or while performing the technical analysis during the live session on this channel. So friends, you must watch each and every video under the tutorial series Zero to Hero, which is available in Hindi and English section of your channel, so that you understand the very concepts of technical analysis, the underlying principles of technical analysis, and the aspects of as to how you can build the trading strategy and how you can manage your risk in the stock market to generate consistent profit month on month, year on year. So friends, let us now move to the price chart, where I would explain very simply as to how swing trading works. So friends, we are watching a chart where the trend is clearly uptrend. It's very important to select a stock for swing trading purpose which is in clearly well defined trend. Either it is an uptrending stock in markup phase or a downtrending stock in markdown phase. It has to be clearly, we should select only those stocks which clearly is defining the prevailing trend on the price chart based on the market structure. Now you observe this chart that it was in a downtrending mode, and here there was a double bottom formation, and finally the apex of double bottom was here, which was finally broken out here, and then the price came into the markup phase where it is making higher lows and higher highs kind of formation. And such stocks are very good for swing trading to generate consistent profit in stock market. Or for that matter, financial market, could be a commodity market or currency pairs or bond market or crypto market, any market. So as name suggests, swing trading, let us first define the swings. What are the swings in this uptrending market? This is one swing. We can see this is the one swing. This correction is another swing. This is another swing, this is another swing, this is another swing. So market is making multiple swings as it moves higher and higher in the process of you know from value area it traces to the value area and then makes a new high. So such stocks are very good. Now secondly, the moment we have identified the swings, and you can observe here in uptrending, this swing is much larger than this corrective wave. So this corrective wave is much smaller than the overall waves which is going up in an uptrending market. So this becomes an impulsive wave while this becomes a corrective wave. That is why I said catching a corrective wave will not likely to yield a proper risk reward ratio. So what we do here we should consider one more thing in swing trading is weight of evidences. Means, for example, I have seen this swing and the correction started here. I patiently wait in the market for that correction to be over. Now what I find here is let me explain you. See the correction over here. This was the impulsive wave in the markup phase or uptrending market, and this was the corrective wave. The wave correction has halted near EMA 21 is the first weight of evidence. Secondly, the moment I have drawn the horizontal line, it has been a resistance area where you can see the multiple rejection on the price chart, which makes it a support area. So second weight of evidence. What is the third wave of evidence? We can see all the moving averages, critical moving average, EMA 21, EMA 55, SMA 144, every moving average is inclining up, indicating that it's in a bullish territory. And secondly, dosto, what we can observe here is that here there is a formation of, I am making it a little larger to make it more illustrative. We can see here after this correction was over, and correction was over at a critical juncture of critical support formed by the horizontal line EMA 21, and besides the weight of evidence of moving averages, and third is this is a one white soldier kind of formation where the market open gap up on this date and then finally close slightly above the prior bearish candle, making it a one white soldier, and there is a surge in the volume. So several weight of evidences we can see on the price chart. So this makes a very good long trading opportunity where we initiate a trade above high of this bullish candlestick pattern, which is one white soldier in this case, and then put a stop loss which is slightly below the low of the prior swing, that is on this particular candle low, but preferably below the EMA 21. And then see the impulsive wave, and our risk is very small. Say for example, in this example we are putting a stop loss at 1871 while making an entry at something around 1989. So the risk is very small, and you can see the easily 1:2 risk reward ratio. Although the price has gone down here, but finally it did not hit our stop loss, and against price uptrend resumes in the market, and we could get the target, that is 1:2 risk reward ratio very easily in this particular market. However, we can even calculate the target if we have the concept of technical analysis. In order to calculate the target, we can take the help of this impulsive wave, use Fibonacci expansion tool as we have been doing in several live streaming sessions on this channel, and put the expansion. Your target could be 127.2%, 161.8%. All those steps can be done, and check whether at 127.2% you are getting a proper risk reward ratio or not, or else 161.8%, because at this area the risk is very less and and the potential reward is very high. So friends, if you like this presentation, give a lot of thumbs up to this video, and friends, share this video among your friend circle. And friend, I would be expecting your valuable comments in the comment section of this video. Subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you remain notified for all upcoming uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you very soon once again, friends. Hello friends.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our channel.